This is the story of how blockchain is not just about cryptocurrencies. To comprehend the expansiveness of blockchain, let's start with its foundations. Originally conceived as the underlying technology for Bitcoin, blockchain is a distributed ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized structure ensures transparency, security, and immutability, qualities that have propelled blockchain into realms beyond digital currencies. Decentralization and Trust. At the core of blockchain's allure is the principle of decentralization. Unlike traditional systems that rely on a central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. This not only eliminates the need for intermediaries but also fosters a level of trust and security previously unseen in digital transactions. Smart contracts. Enter the era of smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. Smart contracts automate and enforce contractual agreements, reducing the need for intermediaries, cutting costs, and expediting processes. From legal agreements to supply chain management, smart contracts are revolutionizing how we conceptualize and execute contracts. Supply chain transparency. Blockchain's transparency becomes a game changer in the world of supply chains. By recording every step of a product's journey on an immutable ledger, blockchain ensures transparency and traceability. Consumers can now track the origin, production, and distribution of goods, fostering a new era of accountability and ethical consumerism. Identity management. In a digital age rife with identity theft and fraud, blockchain emerges as a beacon of hope for secure identity management. Decentralized identity solutions leverage blockchain to provide individuals with control over their personal data, reducing the risk of identity theft and giving rise to a new paradigm of privacy and security. Financial inclusion. While cryptocurrencies were the first use case, blockchain's impact on financial inclusion is profound. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, leverages blockchain to create a more inclusive financial system. This enables individuals worldwide, especially those without access to traditional banking, to participate in lending, borrowing, and investment. Tokenization of assets. Blockchain facilitates the tokenization of assets, converting physical or digital assets into tokens on a blockchain. This opens new avenues for fractional ownership of real estate, art, and other traditionally illiquid assets. The democratization of asset ownership becomes a reality, breaking down barriers to entry for a more inclusive global economy. Bitcoin, the trailblazer. In the vast landscape of cryptocurrencies, let's begin our journey with the trailblazer, Bitcoin. Picture a stoic figure, clad in a digital cloak, representing the essence of decentralization. Bitcoin, with its enigmatic creator Satoshi Nakamoto, stands as a beacon, challenging the conventional notions of currency and finance. It's not merely a coin but the harbinger of a financial revolution. Ethereum, the visionary. Enter Ethereum, the visionary of our crypto saga. If Bitcoin laid the foundation, Ethereum raised the stakes. Picture a luminary figure, adorned with smart contracts, lines of code etched on an ethereal canvas. Ethereum is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform that birthed decentralized applications, giving rise to a new era of programmable money and blockchain innovation. Ripple, the bridge builder. Now, envision Ripple as the bridge builder, gracefully connecting financial institutions across the digital waters. Ripple, with its native cryptocurrency XRP, facilitates seamless, cross-border transactions. It personifies the diplomatic envoy between traditional finance and the blockchain world, fostering interoperability and global financial inclusion. Litecoin, the Silver Surfer. In this cosmic crypto tale, Litecoin emerges as the Silver Surfer, nimble, agile, and ever-present. Conceived as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, Litecoin embodies the spirit of quick, low-cost transactions. It's the companion, the sidekick, and, in many ways, the unsung hero of the crypto universe. Dogecoin, the playful jester. Cue the playful jester of our narrative, Dogecoin. With its Shiba Inu mascot, Dogecoin brings a touch of whimsy to the crypto stage. Originally created as a meme, Dogecoin has become a symbol of community spirit, tipping culture, and the light-hearted side of the crypto world. It's the mischievous grin in the grand tapestry of digital assets. Cardano, the architect. As we traverse the landscapes of blockchain architecture, let's meet Cardano, the meticulous architect. Founded on the principles of research-driven development and academic rigor, Cardano personifies the quest for scalability, sustainability, and interoperability. It's the visionary crafting a blueprint for a future where blockchain transcends its current limitations. Polkadot, the interconnected weaver. Enter Polkadot, the interconnected weaver of our crypto saga. Imagine a cosmic weaver connecting disparate blockchains into a cohesive, interoperable web. Polkadot embodies the spirit of a multi-chain universe, fostering collaboration, scalability, and adaptability across the digital frontier. Chainlink, the Oracle Mystic. As we explore the mystical realms of blockchain, we encounter Chainlink, the Oracle Mystic. With its decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink bridges the gap between smart contracts and the real world. It's the guide, the wise oracle, enabling smart contracts to interact with external data, opening new dimensions of possibilities. Stellar, the cosmic luminary. Picture Stellar as the cosmic luminary, radiating a celestial glow across the financial cosmos. Stellar is not just a cryptocurrency, it's a platform designed for seamless cross-border payments and token issuance. In our crypto chronicles, Stellar embodies the spirit of financial inclusion and cosmic connectivity. In conclusion, the story of blockchain transcends its origins in cryptocurrencies. It is a narrative of empowerment, transparency, and inclusivity. As we navigate this digital frontier, let us embrace the myriad possibilities that blockchain unfolds. The journey is just beginning, and the impact of blockchain, as we have come to learn, is not just about currencies, it is about rewriting the rules of trust, innovation, and collaboration.